there! Today I'm gonna share with you my morning skincare routine. I'm gonna be using 9 products for this routine. Most of these products you can buy at the drugstore. So if you're a busy mom like me and you wanna get ready fast, but yet give your skin what it needs in order to look great, keep watching. In the morning, I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So in order to get the best of it, we need to be very intentional. First, you're gonna be using some face wash, then a toner. Then you're gonna be using a serum, then a face oil, then a moisturizer, some eye cream. Then you're gonna be using a sunscreen. I use a CC cream, but you can do a BB cream as well. And the most important part of my skincare routine at the end, seriously, I cannot emphasize this enough, is my lip balm. So you need a lip balm. The first thing I'm gonna do is put something on my hair so it gets out of the way. I'm gonna start here with this fabulous foaming face wash from Bliss. This is one of my favorites. I use also Clinique, but I just find the smell of this so refreshing. And one of these pads. This is like a silicone pad for a face. You can use a little cloth or you can use a little brush. I do not use the big electronic brush every day because I feel that I can use that once or twice a week because of the type of skin I have. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here and get my face wet. And just rub it in. Now there are certain soaps or face washes that are just too strong and leave my face very dry. So I want to make sure that I have one that doesn't do that. And I do use soap in the morning. I do not use soap at night. I use more like a oil-based cleanser. And normally I do this step in the shower. All right. Now I'm just gonna dry my face. Now, please do not dry your face like this, okay? You just need to tap it. Your face is not like the rest of your body, and the more you scratch it, the more wrinkles you're gonna have. That's it. See, it's fast. Now that I have my face clean, I'm going to use my toner. I use alcohol-free toner from Neutrogena. I do believe it improves the texture of your face especially after using soap on it. What I do is that I put it in a spray bottle and just spray. That's it. I don't rub it with a cotton pad or anything like that. Next step is a serum. You can tell I've been using this a lot. It's one from Vichy. It's called Mineral 89 and it's just really good. And also it doesn't get peeled after you put the rest of the products, because sometimes with serums, you put the serum and then once you put the moisturizer, it's already peeling from your face. I'm just gonna put one pump on my fingers and be very gentle when applying this. To apply it close to my eye line, very gentle there, and onto my neck. If you need more, you can use more. I just need one pump. Now I'm gonna be using this Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. This is amazing. I heard a review from Nicoletta. I'll link her channel below, but it was actually recommended by Kylie Jenner. And she specifically said that she was using this because the sides of her nose got really dry when she got on an airplane. I live in Ireland, and here, because of the weather, our apartments that are constantly heating are very dry places. So I tried it and I'm never going back. This is one of the best products I've had in my life. Now for this, you just need 3 to 4 drops. That's it. 1, 2, tap it. 3, 4, and let's say 1 for my neck. And then I rub these 2 fingers with the rest of the product and just blend it in. It's a very dry oil. It's not oily at all, and it makes your face look very radiant. You can't feel it, but you feel the benefits. I can tell you, I started suffering from hormonal acne several months ago, and now it's going away, but I was left with the scars. And I'm very self-conscious about this, but this has been helping tons to recover the quality of my skin there. Now, I'm doing all this. You have to do it nicely, right? Like, you can see my skin is moving, but I'm not going like you just be gentle, okay? If you don't want to get more wrinkles, we're already fighting the wrinkles. After the face oil, and again, I'm referring to this as general products because you can use any face oil that you like. I am using the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This is one of my favorites, especially here. I'm from Costa Rica, so sometimes it was a little too intense in Costa Rica with this moisturizer, but here it's perfect. So that's it. And don't forget your neck. Even if it is the morning, your neck also needs some loving and care. I like to do this. Like before, I would just put it on and then that's it. But then I feel that when I get the time to really spread it on my skin, it has a better effect on it. Okay, and the next step is an eye cream. Now you want to make sure that the eye cream that you use in the morning is suitable for the morning because most of them are for the night. I really like this one from the Body Shop. It's called Oils of Life, and let me show it to you. It helps that part of the eye not to look so dark. So I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit. See that? Just a tiny bit here. And these ones we're just gonna tap real quick. Notice that I'm not using my middle finger or my index. I'm using this finger because I don't want it to be very rough. And then that's it. Next step is the sunscreen. You need this. You need sunscreen. And I know most of your products already have sunscreen, but you need a good sunscreen on your face. Seriously, skin cancer, it's a real thing, and if you don't protect yourself now, you're gonna be suffering the consequences later. I use this from La Roche-Posay. I have to be honest with you, I used one from Dior. It was 50 plus, and they stopped making it. I don't know why. Anyway, this is also very dry. It doesn't leave your skin oily or anything. So I'm just gonna put a little, that's it. Oh, I think you see the amounts that you use are very small. Okay, and this one you just wanna put a little bit on your, like that, on your ears. What was left on your fingers, and now just spread it. Now that you're finished with your sunscreen, I'm gonna be having some CC cream or BB cream, whatever works for you. Now you see the BB cream also has some SPF, but it's not as strong as the one you really need for your face. So using this one from number 7, Youthful CC Cream, coverage light to medium. And CC creams are, for me, I find that they're great primers. They also always have some sort of antioxidants or some vitamins for your face, but they help prime your face, whether you just want it like that for the day, or if you're going to have makeup on, that's the easiest way to prime my face. So I'm just gonna be using that. Notice that I don't use all my hand to put the product on it, just these 2 fingers. Okay. This tip I got from one of the makeup artists at Dior in Las Vegas, and for me, it has been one of the best advice I was given for a skin daily routine. And most people forget about this, but several years ago, I started to have very, very fine lines on my lips. And whenever I would put my color lipstick on, the color would get into those very fine lines there. So one day when I was in Las Vegas, this woman recommended for me to use lip balm every day and every night. I cannot tell you the difference this has made. I don't have those lines anymore. Like after maybe 2 to 3 months of start using it, they just went away. And I use this from Burt's Bees, but you can use any good quality lip balm that will just hydrate your lips because you forget about your lips. She told me to do it whenever you start your skincare routine, to apply it, and then by the time you have your makeup on, your lips are already hydrated and ready to get your color lipstick on. So gonna put that in, and the smell and the taste is wonderful. And then that's it. I'm ready for the day. I can whether just leave it like this or put some makeup on, but I'm confident enough to leave like this and know that my face is ready, it's primed, also it's protected from the sun and from all the toxic things that can be in the environment throughout the day. I don't know if you can see any difference. I can see a difference from when I started to now. I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already for more tips on mommy life, organizational videos, cleaning motivation, and infertility awareness. And let me know, what is your best secret for a good daily morning skincare routine? See you in the next one. Bye.
Don't you know that